안녕하세요. This is your Korean 쌤, 진아. Today's expression is 머리에 피도 안 마르다. It's long. Repeat after me. 머리에 피도 안 마르다. So, 머리에 head, 피. 피 is blood. 피도 안 마르다. 마르다 뭐예요? 마르다 means to be dried up. So, 피도 안 마르다. 머리에 피, blood is not dried. What does that mean? Look at the picture. It seems like a dad and a boy. And a dad is scolding his son. Why? Maybe he touched a cigarette of dad. So he is in trouble now. So 머리에 피도 안 마르다 means to be young with too little experiences. But it's actually used when it's used to a person who is underage, but tries things that are only allowed to adults. For example, cigarette smoking and drinking, or even driving. So it is, as you can also all see, it is used to underage. So is used by parents and the elderly people. Look at here. Here are similar expressions in English idiom. Wet behind the ears. Wet behind the ears. It's similar, but it's a bit different because 머리에 피도 안 마르다 actually has negative nuance. So you should be careful to use it. And you cannot use it to yourself. Only parents or people who are old enough can say that to really young people or underage people. 머리에 피도 안 마르다. What does that mean from? So when a baby is born, imagine that is she or he really clean? No. If it's newborn, it's really covered with a lot of sticky water and wet or dirt. Also blood too. So, and they shower the baby, and then the blood and the dirty things are washed away. So that's why 머리에 피도 안 마르다 means he or she is too young, like a baby. Look at the examples. 나 어제 진짜 황당한 일이 있었어. 무슨 일이야? 편의점에서 일하고 있는데 편의점, convenience store. 중학생들이 middle school students try to 담배를 사려고 하는 거야. Try to buy cigarettes. And B says, 정말? 머리에 피도 안 마른 것들이 용감하네. How dare they tried. They are only little middle school students. You can use like this. Exercises. Number 1. Choose the sentence which correctly uses 머리에 피도 안 마르다. 1번. 머리에 피도 안 마른 아이가 아이스크림을 사요. 아이. You can use 머리에 피도 안 마르다 to a kid. But 아이스크림을 사요. To buy an ice cream. It's okay, and it has no negative nuance. It's natural. So it's not a bad behavior. Number 2, 머리에 피도 안 마른 아이가 머리를 묶고 있어요. 머리를 묶다 is to tie up your hair. 머리를 묶다. So, 아이 머리를 묶어요. It's possible. It's not only allowed to adults. Number 3, 머리에 피도 안 마른 학생이 공부를 열심히 하고 있어요. It's good to study hard. So, it's correct. Number 4, 머리에 피도 안 마른 학생이 담배를 피우고 있어요. 학생, student is smoking. It's not allowed. So it has a negative behavior. This is the answer. Okay, number 2, complete the sentence. 학생들이 교복을 입고 술을 사요. 교복 is a school uniform. So, young students in school uniform tries to buy an alcohol, a liquor. So, 머리에 피도 안 마르다 학생들. 머리에 피도 안 마른 학생들이 교복을 입고 술을 사요. Okay, that's all for today. 다음 시간에 만나요.